China-funded borehole drilling projects have quenched the thirst of some Zimbabwean communities, where access to clean and safe drinking water had long been a problem. Through China Aid, the projects have drilled 1,000 boreholes in 6 provinces of Zimbabwe, mostly rural areas. A local official in a village in Matabalan, South Province, said the borehole in her village ended the plague facing the local villages due to the lack of water.
Before we got this kindful gesture from the China's embassy, we had a problem. We didn't have enough water. We were getting water from the riverbanks. So as for now, we're getting this clean water. The situation was very bad, but for now, for this borehole, it has improved.
In the past, fetching water far away from home cost much time and energy for the local villages. With the borehole at their doorstep, Lumene villages say they can save time for productive work.
Ngokuba khona kwamanzi eduze sisizakale kakhulu sibili ngoba imisebenzi esiyenzayo thina omama ngekhaya isikhathi esiningi besingayenelisi ukuyenza kuze kuyetshona ilanga sithatha isikhathi sethu esiningi sidinga wona amanzi okunjengamanje siyenelisa ukuthi noma ngokuthi ingadinyane okuncane sesisanelisa ukuthi sibe lakho ngoba isikhathi sokuthola amanzi okunatha sibalaso siwathole eduzane kukanti lesiyana isikhathi besihamba uma ngomude siyadinga ukunatha nje wodwa kuphela bese sisehluleka lokuthi sibe lawo ukuthi sibe lokuthi ingadinyane okuncane njengabomama ukuthi siphilise abantwana bethu.
Moreover, the water of the boreholes is clean and safe, according to the District Water and Sanitation Subcommittee Chairman, in the Umzingwane district of Matabalan South Province.
I think this project has done a lot to us as Umzingwane district. We started in 2012 with the China Aid giving us support on the water situation. This has really helped the communities. We have improved. A lot of communities have got access to clean and safe water.
Local hospitals also welcome the use of borehole water. A hospital official says access to clean water has enhanced the hospital's fight against the COVID-19.
It really played a great role because with the running water, the hygiene, it improves the hygiene. It's different from washing your hands while still not using running water. Then the other thing, we have the wash points. So it's now easier to refill those because we mix water with the chloride using the recommended mixture. So with the running water, it's now easier to refill those wash points.
According to Abednego Ncube, Minister of State for Matabalan South Province, a total of 150 boreholes have been drilled in the province since the program started in 2012. Ncube said the borehole drilling initiative by China Aid highlights the friendship between the two countries.
The provision of water is going to assist us, the rural communities, including their livestock, goats, sheep, donkeys, cattle, and so forth. So we are going to benefit from the water supply.
Apart from Zimbabwe, China over the years has funded borehole projects in many other African countries, including Rwanda, Ghana, Zambia, Nigeria, Cameroon, Tanzania, Mozambique, Malawi, and Senegal.